QEI Plus Lotion review is the basis for today's video. If you are currently using this product and are wondering how this product will work on your body, or you are looking to know more about this product, then this video will be very beneficial to you. You are in the right place. I hope and pray that you get all your answers here. Let's go there. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you. From me to you, hugs and kisses. And if this is the first time you are coming across this video, there is a little secret I would like to share with you. Since you asked, I'll tell you. I really do want you to subscribe to my channel. By doing so, press that red button that says subscribe and that little bell by the side of the subscribe button, so you'll be notified anytime I have new videos. So let's get started. In my last video, I mentioned I was going to do a review on QEI products. Anyway, this is a promise kept because a subscriber asked for me to do this review. She lives in Ghana. I hope you are here today watching me as I make this review. I have promised, and this is a promise kept, okay? This review will be based on the ingredient listing, my observation about this product, and my recommendation. Now, I'm not going to bore you with most of the ingredients listed, okay? But there are about 3 of these ingredients that actually caught my fancy, and I'm going to touch on them. And as usual now, you know, these ingredients are written in very, very small letters. So I wrote them down so that I can drive my point home very well, okay? Now, one of the ingredients there that actually caught my fancy is this Betula Alba leaf extract. You see? So, and what it does, it helps with skin inflammation and eczema. Another thing again that caught my fancy amongst the ingredients is the Sambucus nigra. That one is a healing. It brings about skin healing for those of you who have sunburn. For many people who have damaged skin, this particular ingredient is very, very effective for it. Then there is another ingredient here, Tilia tomentosa. This one calms and itching skin. Also, there's something here that controls hyperpigmentation, Morus nigra leaf extract. So these are the 3 ingredients. Now, when I compared this particular new QEI lotion they have now with the old one, I discovered that this new one is actually jam-packed with a lot of ingredients. It has more healing and soothing properties, okay? Now, some time ago, I used QEI. I used the Privilege, QEI Privilege. That was the one I used. And that was about 8 to 9 years ago. I didn't really know much about creams at that time. So when I used it, I did not see any effects. Normally, as Africans and as women of color, when we use cream, we expect it to either lighten us a little bit or smoothen our skin and all of those. But I didn't really see the effects then. And now I know the reason why I really didn't see any effect. For those of you who are afraid of bleaching their skin, for those of you who are afraid of toning their skin and all of those things, but you still want to lighten up anyway, when you use this cream and you do not see the desired effect, you begin to feel bad. You begin to wonder, this cream they said is working, why is it not working, this and that. I'm going to break all of them down for you today, okay? So now, I observed that the ingredients they have used for this new QEI is more of a healing. It causes more of healing effects on people's skin. Okay, now, and it's very beneficial to people with dry skin. So if you know that you have a very dry skin, then I would advise that you go for this new QEI Plus Lotion, the carrot variant. Okay, so it is packed, is loaded with ingredients that are very good for dry skin. It is loaded with ingredients that can help heal your skin. So, like, as I was saying, my observation based on the ingredients listed on the body of this cream, I have seen that QEI Plus Lotion is more, the carrot variant now, is more of a healing cream. Okay, it helps with white dots and patches. It also helps to inhibit the production of more melanin. Okay, now that got me thinking, because I realized that it's like there is competition between QEI and Francoise bedon lotion. Because you remember I told you in my previous video, I will put the link in the description box below, where I said that when I used the Francoise bedon lotion, it cleared my white dots. So looking at the ingredient listing of this QEI lotion, the carrot variant, the new one, I discovered that it also clears white dots, and it is packed with a lot of wonderful ingredients that are very, very nutritious to the skin. You see, so if you are and also it also helps to inhibit the production of melanin. You know, we women of color, we blacks, we produce melanin a lot more than the white people, you understand. So this QEI lotion also has those ingredients that helps to reduce the production of melanin. This does not mean that it is going to whiten you. It will not just whiten you like that. But after a prolonged use, you will begin to see that kind of lightening effect. But you must have used it for like a year or so, or thereabout, between 8 months, depending on how fast your skin can absorb the cream. So you might have used it for that long period of time, and then gradually you will begin to see that effect. But if you are in a hurry to lighten up, you will not see that effect so soon. Okay, but on the long run, is a cream that you can use for a long period of time, and then after a very long period of time, you begin to gradually see the lightening effect. But this means that you would have saturated your skin, the sebaceous gland and all the glands in your skin. You might have saturated it with rubbing this lotion every time before you start noticing that lightening effect. But eventually it will lighten you. If you are not so much in a hurry to lighten up, you just want to be using it. So what it will do for you is that it will be curing all the issues in your skin, all the white dots, all the patches, all the eczema, all the psoriasis. It will be curing it, but you will not see any lightening effect just so soon. Okay, so it will cure it gradually, just like that, and eventually you will now begin to see that lightening effect. But if you are like me, I want to believe that many women are like me. I do not really have patience especially if I want to lighten up. I do not really have that kind of patience. Okay, so especially if you want to lighten up, I do not really have that kind of patience to wait for a cream to behave in such a manner. But it's a beautiful skin. So I would have my recommendation is, if you have very dry skin, because this cream is packed with a lot of ingredients that helps with people with severe dry skin. If you have very dry skin, use this cream and it will work for you to solve that issue of dryness. Okay, if you have problems with your skin, like if you have sunburn in your body, any part of your body, if you have sunburn, or if you have damaged skin, or if you have redness of the skin, then you can use this cream and it will work for you, okay? But you have to be patient with it because it is packed with a lot of ingredients that can solve that problem. Actually, if you ask me, I will tell you that is a healing cream, okay? Now, if you are looking to lighten up your skin very, very fast, I would advise that don't damage your skin. It will lighten you if you do this, and it will give you up to 2 shades. I normally advise women, please and please do not break your skin. Do not go above 2 shades, okay? So for you to get that wow effect, if you want to have that wow effect and you like this cream, and because of its healing properties you want to use it, what you can do is you buy the serum of this product. It has a serum, you buy it, then it is already, in fact, it's good for people with oily skin already. So even if you do not mix it with an oil, it will not dry your skin. That is one effect of this cream that I have seen. But to be on the safe side, because people have different types of skin, okay? So you buy the serum of this cream and you buy a lightening oil. There are a lot of lightening oils. So, but if you want me to tell you a lightening oil that you can use with the serum and this lotion, you can beat me up in the comment section below. I will make recommendations. I do not want this video to be too long. So if you want a lightening oil, a mild lightening oil that you can use with the serum and this cream, beat me up in the comment section below. I'm going to be answering your questions, telling you the kind of lightening oil that you can use to this cream. And if also, the serum will work gradually for you also. But if you want a very fast effect, but for a serum that will not damage your skin, you can also beat me up in the comment section below. I will also give you recommendation of serums that you can use. Okay, so if you ask me overall, this cream is good for people with aged skin, with mature skin, people who do not want to tone or lighten up their skin but want to treat their skin. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please kindly like and share my videos. Give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Stay blessed and bye.